what's up, it's Bella. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Gonna put another disclaimer like I did in my last video. I am reorganizing my whole entire office. I am lucky to have a dedicated space for filming and working, but I'm just doing some reorganizing and I have a new vanity coming in and all that stuff. So just ignore the background for now. In my next video, I should have it back together as long as my vanity arrives on time. But the reason you clicked on this video is a Louis Vuitton haul. I have two unboxings for you guys in today's video. These are two items. One of them I knew I was gonna get, and the other one is limited edition, so then I just got it. I went to the mall yesterday and did some damage, like some serious damage. I posted a little TikTok about it, but it was totally worth it. And I'll tell you about my other purchase because it was a super big girl purchase. But we're gonna talk about the main event today, and that's the two Louis Vuitton bags that I got. I feel like it's been so long since I've done one, so I'm really excited to do one in today's video. I'm going to put links down below to both of the bags if you guys are interested in checking them out, and then also be sure to check out my last couple of videos. They've been really good. I'm really happy about them. Follow my TikTok and my Instagram, and subscribe here. And without further ado, let's go on and get into it. We're gonna start the video with the limited edition bag because I feel like maybe that's the reason a lot of people are here, because it's limited edition and it's a little different. Here we freaking go. I actually did wear it today, so it's already been unboxed, and I didn't even put it properly back in the dust bag. Literally, don't kill me. But here she is. Of course, it comes with the box, and you have the classic dust bag, which you're always supposed to keep the dust bag, but not necessarily the box. I don't keep any of my boxes, and you're only supposed to store it in the dust bag. Here we are with my new baby. This is the Louis Vuitton Palm Spring Mini, and the color, I believe, it says other monogram canvas when I click on it on the Louis Vuitton website. But it says it's called the Polar Night. So it's a nylon bag. It has leather trim. It's silver toned hardware, and it has a name tag right here that you can also get monogrammed. And it's got a single handle right here and two straps. So here's a little bit of a closer look. So this is actually a part of the Louis Vuitton ski collection. You probably are confused, like, Bella, why did you get a ski collection bag and you live in Florida? Well, this isn't just for skiing. Like, this is just a really cute bag. So yeah, it's like this. It's a little bit more subtle, and that's why I like it compared to the other one. Like, the other one's for my mom, but I'm still gonna show it to you guys. And I decided to get this one, but I love the name tag. I also am a huge fan of limited edition bags and things that are a little bit harder to get because I feel like it adds a lot more value to them. And I also like to do my best to have something that's a little bit more unique than everyone else. So that's when I saw this. But initially I was going in for the classic, you know, Palm Springs mini backpack. This bag is quite small, but honestly it fits a lot when I was carrying it today. It fits sunglasses, a protein bar, my wallet, lip gloss, hand sanitizer, and also my phone. So it fits so much stuff, and there was still room for other things. My biggest reason in getting a backpack is because I am about to be a Disney season pass holder, which I'm so excited for. And of course I have the mini bum bag and the regular bum bag, but I will say it might sound a little crazy. My boyfriend was like, you literally sound wild. But when you're wearing it for that long, it does end up hurting one side of your shoulder, and I wanted something that had two straps and had even distribution on my back. So that's why I got this. Yes, I could have gotten any bag that wasn't designer, but I just wanted Louis Vuitton. Like, I just wanted a bag that I was able to kind of up my style a little bit with my outfit and kind of make it a little bit more classy. So that's why I got this. But again, I was going in for this one, which is the original classic monogram Palm Springs mini backpack. But I love this one. I'll show you guys a little bit more. So here's the silver hardware on it. It's got really nice thick silver hardware. The hardware isn't actually as flimsy as the Palm Springs MM, which I used to have that backpack and I still do. Not my favorite. The Discovery backpack is so much better, which if you're interested, I also did a comparison video on that backpack, and I believe I might have done another one. But either way, the hardware is definitely nicer than the gold on the other bag. It's a little bit heavier, and I'll show you the comparison with the other bag. But you have this initial pocket, which fits a good amount of stuff. I fit my protein bar in here and a few other things. The zipper on the main pocket does go all the way down, so you have to be careful when you open it that things don't fall out, although it does have like this little protector here. You just gotta be careful that you close it all the way. And then here is the inside of the backpack. It's quite large. I'll insert some footage of me trying it on in the store and kind of figuring out what I wanted, but there's nothing much to it. I can probably do like a little what's in my Palm Springs backpack, but I love it. It's simple. I like how it's black. It's a little bit more incognito, but I love the monogram name tag that came with it, and it's adorable. Very classy. Can even be worn with nicer outfits, but also for more athleisure outfits where I want to up my style, make it a little bit more classy with a bag. Now we're gonna get into the bag that I got for my mom. Here it is. So excited. She won't care if I open it. She always loves when I use her stuff for videos, so no one say anything in the comments about it. And here we go. This one hasn't been opened since I left the store, so it is very fresh, non-used. Of course, you have the box and then you have the dust bag that it comes in. And here we are, the classic back bag. I still love this one. I'm sure I'll get it one day because I like collecting bags and I like having different versions, but still wanted to show it to you guys. So it's still going to be the mini Palm Springs backpack. This front zipper closure is a bit smaller. The zipper does stop right here and does not go all the way down. It's also not diagonal like the other bag. It's a classic monogram canvas. You have one top handle, and of course it comes with 2 straps that are in the bag, but I'm not gonna put them on because I want my mom to have that experience. But as you can see, they are right there in the bag. Same size as the other bags, fits the same amount of stuff, but my mom and I kind of wanted to twin, but also, you know, if she wants mine, she can wear mine. If I want hers, I can wear hers. There is something just about a classic look that is amazing, and I'm not even gonna lie, I did have the fake one when I was, I think at the beginning of college, like 6 years ago. I had a fake little Palm Springs backpack, and I loved it. I used it so much, but I did get rid of that. Now all of my bags are authentic, and I love it, but can't tell me none of us didn't go through a dupe designer phase, because we all did. So here I'm gonna do a little close-up for you guys, so you guys are able to see the differences in both of the bags if you're deciding between which bag to get. Although I'm not sure how long this one is gonna last, so if you want it, definitely snag it. So you can see how the pocket on the black nylon one is definitely much larger and does not have that overlaying flap. From the side, you're also able to see that the zipper on the mini original one does stop there, and this one's definitely at a diagonal and has a bit more of an opening. Other than that, they are basically the same bag, just different material and a little bit different with the design. Now there is a perk to having the nylon, and also there's a perk to having the canvas. It is beautiful, it's very shiny, it's amazing. But the perk to having a nylon, because I have a bunch of the Prada nylon bags, like the re-editions, it's great because if you spill something on it, all you have to do is just wipe it down, which you can also do with the canvas. So it's not much different, but it's a little bit more forgiving with the nylon. I remember I was at a Steve Aoki concert in Miami at the guitar whatever building like 3 years ago, and I had my Prada nylon bag, which don't ask me why I took that. Such a stupid decision, but I took it, and this girl literally poured like tequila, like spilled tequila all over me, which is understandable. We were like packed up in the front, like it was like a rave, and she spilled her alcohol all over my bag, and my nylon Prada bag soaked up all of the alcohol. So I actually never washed it. It doesn't even smell like alcohol, so it kind of just absorbed it. But I don't know, that's not like really a perk, I guess, but it's something to think about if you maybe want to be like a little bit more carefree with this bag. But of course, you still need to take care of both, and they're both still great bags, and I love them so much. I'm definitely going to be styling them very differently. I'm going to be borrowing my mom's, she's going to be borrowing mine, and I'm sure at some point I'm going to get this one because I'm probably going to be using hers all the time. Now, if you remember correctly, I did have the Palm Springs MM, and it's the medium size, but I decided to get the Discovery backpack instead, which I love a lot more than the MM, and that is strictly because of the size difference, yes, but also the zippers on the MM Palm Springs are just a little bit more flimsy, and even this mini one, you can see the zippers right there, and the size on this limited edition nylon one are much bigger, and they're also definitely, they have like a lot more weight to them. With my Palm Springs medium backpack, I was being so rough on it, and every time I'd open the zipper, I'd be scared that I would break it, and that's because I was just using it as like a travel backpack. That's also something to think about if you want a little bit more of sturdier hardware. I would go with this bag. But again, they both have their own perks, their own like little great things about them. We love a classic bag. We also love a limited edition bag for resale value. It's an investment piece, and it can definitely sell down the road, especially having limited edition and only having a certain amount of stock in the country. But that's literally it. I just wanted to show you guys the new bags I got. And then I also want to talk to you guys about the other huge purchase I made. Long story short, I got a West Elm couch 2 weeks ago. I ordered it a month and a half ago. Thought I loved it in the store, and once it got delivered to my house, I was like, no, I actually hate this. Like, it was not comfortable. I don't know what the difference was. I think the one in the store was like broken in for years, and honestly, I should have thought about that, but it just was not comfortable for me. And it was the Harmony couch. It's a really popular couch, but it felt cheap, was not worth the money, hated it, just did not like it. And I was like, I'm not spending my hard-earned money on a couch that I hate because I wanted it to last me like years. My boyfriend then reminded me that initially I wanted a couch that I could take the covers off of, wash them, be a little bit more, I guess, carefree with, but also still have a nice luxury couch. He then reminded me that I've always loved Lovesac, and I don't know why. For some reason, it just slipped my mind. I think it's because I just walked into West Elm one day in Hyde Park, saw the couch. I literally ordered it on the spot, and I didn't do any other thinking, so that was my fault. But West Elm is picking up the couch, free delivery or free pickup of charge, like no issue. I get all my money back. So I decided to customize my own Lovesac, and I'm so excited. I got a Lovesac Sactional. The color that I chose is Coastal White Brushed Weave. It's like the whitest color, but I love that it's not stark white because honestly, that's just a little too modern in my space. If you guys watch my vlogs, you know that I am Persian and Lebanese, and I have a very like bright space, so white is just a little too much for me because my rugs have this brushed white in it. So it was just perfect. If you don't know anything about Lovesac, they're all like modular, so you can pick it up and move it. For movie night, I can just make like a one big like huge bed, put a comforter on it, and just enjoy my night, which I just think is so cool. But I have 6 seats, I have 8 sides. It's gonna be huge. It's beautiful. And not to just, you know, be crazy and get just the couch, right? I also added a huge subwoofer and speaker system to my couch, so it's very immersive. When I'm watching a movie, I can just feel like I'm in a movie theater. I literally have everything here, and so I got like a deep storage seat cover, which is what I added. I also added like a chase / ottoman with a coffee table on top of it, so I can get rid of my coffee table. And then I added these cute like little cup holders that hook onto the side of the couch, and you can put your drink there. And if it didn't get any better than that, I literally have wireless chargers on both left and right side of my couch, which is amazing. So I'm really excited, but if I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys, this was such like a pain to tap my card because everything came out to $9,629. And I looked at my Amex statement this morning and I was like, oh my frick, oh, that is crazy. But from an adult standpoint point of view, I can pull everything off, I can throw it in the wash, it doesn't change the fabric or the quality. When I have kids later down the road, I can have this for like 10 plus years, and I can just keep ordering, or you know, whatever I need to grow the couch, just order one like little insert. So easy, so modular. They literally have a photo right here of kids, here I'll show you, drawing on the couch, and it's completely washable, which I love with dogs and just my future. I just really wanted something that was going to grow with me, and those kind of things are an investment in a house. Like nothing for a house is inexpensive, but yeah, I mean, I can rearrange the whole thing, I can change the color or anything I want about it. Like if in 5 months I want different slip covers, it's only like a couple $100, I think, don't quote me, to just get like a new color couch, but I have like the base of my couch still. And then yeah, not to mention the fact that I have a whole speaker system in my couch, so movies are just way more immersive and I can actually just like enjoy it a little bit more. But I worked really hard for this, and I'm really happy that I'm getting it, because this is why I work so hard on, you know, social media obviously, but also like in my other job, like because I wanted to be able to enjoy these things in life, and I'm really happy that I was able to get it. But yeah, that is just so random. That was just it. I just wanted to talk to you guys about that. My quote of the day is just, we will try again tomorrow. Don't put so much pressure on yourself if today wasn't your best day and it didn't work out to like everything that you wanted. God throws some things at you so you can learn to handle things differently. So try again tomorrow if today was not your day. But I love you guys so much. Hope you guys enjoyed my last video, which was my SKIMS holiday try on. And then before that, I did an amazing vlog, which I would love for you guys to watch. Definitely gonna try to vlog more and post twice a week, and also follow my other social medias. But I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my very next video. Stay happy, stay positive, and continue to push and be the best version that you could ever be. And don't talk crap about people behind their backs. That's another random thing. Mwah. Bye guys.